Have you ever wondered how a simple grain of rice is transformed into a global staple food through biotechnology? The story begins in the 1980s when scientists started unlocking the secrets of rice's genetic makeup. They peered into the DNA of this humble grain, unraveled its genetic blueprint, and began to understand how to manipulate it to our advantage. The first major breakthrough came with the development of genetically modified rice, famously known as golden rice. This was not just any rice. It was a superhero in the world of grains. Designed to combat vitamin A deficiency, a major public health issue in developing countries, golden rice was engineered to produce beta-carotene, a source of vitamin A, in its grains. This was a game changer. It demonstrated how genetic manipulation could transform a simple grain into a powerful tool to address nutritional deficiencies. And so, the dawn of rice biotechnology brought forth a new era of food production, aiming to solve some of the world's most pressing health and nutritional problems. As the world of biotechnology evolved, so did our methods of enhancing rice. The turn of the 21st century marked a significant shift in our approach to rice biotechnology. The focus moved from just bolstering the nutritional profile of this staple grain to ensuring its survival against the onslaught of pests and diseases. The dawn of the 2000s saw the development of BT rice. Now you might wonder what's so special about BT rice. Well, this particular variety was engineered to produce a toxin, but before you raise your eyebrows, let me clarify. This toxin is lethal only to certain pests, leaving the rice and its consumers unharmed. This ingenious application of biotechnology drastically reduced the need for chemical pesticides, making the cultivation process more eco-friendly and sustainable. But the advancements didn't stop there. As we moved into the 2010s, the challenges posed by climate change started to make their presence felt. Droughts and floods began to threaten the rice crops worldwide. The answer to these challenges? Yet another leap in rice biotechnology. Scientists developed new species of rice that were resistant to both drought and flood. These hardy varieties could withstand severe weather conditions, ensuring that rice production could continue even in the face of climate adversity. This was a game-changer for rice-producing countries, particularly those in areas prone to extreme weather events. These advancements in rice biotechnology weren't just about improving the grain itself, but were also about adapting to the changing world around us. They represented our ability to use scientific ingenuity to overcome obstacles and ensure the survival of one of our most important food sources. From pest resistance to climate resilience, advancements in rice biotechnology have made this humble grain a symbol of scientific triumph. What does the future hold for the biotechnology of rice? As we journey forward, our sights are set on more than just increasing yields or disease resistance. We're also striving to enhance the nutritional content, taste, and texture of rice. Imagine a future where rice is not only a filling meal, but also a powerhouse of nutrition, a culinary delight with a taste and texture that is simply irresistible. Here's where CRISPR technology comes into play. This revolutionary tool allows scientists to make precise genetic modifications, almost like a pair of molecular scissors cutting and pasting DNA. With CRISPR, we could potentially develop rice varieties that are fortified with vitamins, minerals, and proteins, or even varieties that have a lower glycemic index, making them healthier for those with diabetes. As we look towards the future, the possibilities for rice biotechnology seem limitless, promising a world where rice is not just a staple food but a superfood.